how to fix a WhatsApp login not available right now. Alright, so let's begin with the video. It says for security reasons, we can't log you in right now. So guys, when you try to log into your WhatsApp on your iPhone and you see this type of error, I will help you with how you can fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. First of all, you need to go back, open your settings and make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection. After this, go back. So guys, after going back, you need to scroll down, click on General, and after this, scroll below. From here, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After this, go back. Now you need to click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and you need to reset your network settings. Now set your date and time to automatic. After doing this, you need to check for a software update and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Now go back. After this, scroll down and click on Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. After this, go back and now you need to open your App Store. Here, you need to search for WhatsApp. As you can see, simply search for WhatsApp. You need to check for an update. If your WhatsApp app is not updated, then you need to update it. If there is an option to update, click on Update. After this, go back. Now you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, open your settings, scroll down, click on General, then iPhone Storage. After this, click on WhatsApp and you need to offload your app. After doing offload, reinstall it again. Now go back and log into your account again. After this, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, no need to worry. Open Safari and here you need to search for WhatsApp support. After searching it, click on Contact WhatsApp. After this, wait for some seconds. When you click on this website, from here, click on WhatsApp Messenger support, then contact us. After this, scroll down, write your phone number, your email address, confirm your email, select iPhone, and write the problem you're facing again and again. They will review and fix your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. So that's basically how you can fix a WhatsApp login not available right now. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.